Hoche. Do you know we have a very special guest today? Who? You want to guess who? Let me give you a hint. He's Keefe from Chester Foodie.
What do you do for a living? Sorry, I was very busy cooking up some food also. But today we'll be making Mizuna sashimi salad, gyoza with chili oil, and garlic fried rice. And it just so happened that those three are my favorite food!
Okay, you can do it. You can own your own cooking show already.
Hi everyone, my name is Keefe. I am the manager for Chester Group. No, I am not Chester, too bad. You won't be able to see his face, but you can just look at mine.
You got ADHD.
You must put that in eh. I said that, you must put that in.
It's like that. Okay, shall we start with the first recipe?
Yes, please.
This is Mizuna. Mizuna is basically like a Japanese rocket. So later we'll cut it up and then we'll wash it and then after we'll dry with the salad. Okay. Shisho, you know what is shisho?
No.
Shisho is like a herb compared to oba leaves, the Korean version. Very similar in taste. A bit herbaceous, a bit spicy. It'll go very well with everything. Japanese ginger.
Is this the one that they put in rojak?
Not really. But I would say it's in between that and a real ginger. And then we have your favorite, sashimi.
But I specifically said tuna because tuna is better than salmon. I don't care what you say, tuna is better.
Today we have very atas. We have Chutoro and Otoro. Thanks to Don Donkey. Just now we were there shopping together. They hooked us up.
Can I do?
Can.
Sure. Why you give me that stare?
No, can. You like spicy or not?
Do it. But can you eat or not?
I can. Today everything we're making is 2 portions. In case you want to make for your girlfriend or your future
I think
girlfriend.
I'll eat myself. Why this specific vegetable?
I like the flavour and the texture. You try?
I feel like there's a bit of mint smell.
Okay, I really like shisho a lot, so I'll put it.
Oh, this is actually really nice.
Yeah.
Not bad, right?
Wow,
you see? 不要小看我哦。
Later.
No, but just a bit.
I thought you just say you good only.
No, nothing happened. Not very good.
You see, he cut so fast, then end up cutting himself. Don't cut yourself again.
I won't want lah. This is my style, the 菜饭 style. Ta-da!
Stop!
Hey, okay.
I have a better way to cook gyoza. With a pan. Relax.
So actually every time he cook right, it will taste different.
Oh,
Yeah, because he never measure.
No, it tastes the same. It's measurement here. It's accurate one. Why nobody believe me?
okay, I also want to try. Wow, very nice. I like the vinegar taste. So what's the whole name of the
Gyoza Pot-stickers.
Gyoza Pot-stickers skirt?
Faster. I hungry already.
Do I close it?
No need. Get it crispy first, then close.
Should I switch off the fire?
No need. We got it. Relax.
Ooh.
Gentle. Thank already. Commit.
3, 2, 1.
Oh.
I cook one.
Keith, I wanted to ask you, do you have a personal story about garlic?
So the story behind garlic is like just like every other garlic lovers out there. We love it, but we hate it at the same time because of the smell. And then it just so happened that my girlfriend also really loves garlic. So we're both garlic lovers. But basically, because we both love garlic so much that even when we go out eat, we just get extra garlic. Everything extra. Yeah, I love garlic, man.
So this step must be fast, huh?
Yes, sir. What's the plan?
Add the rice in, then mix. Fast. You know the egg start to set already. Okay, toss.
I cannot toss. I don't know how to toss. Wow, I always want to learn that. I scared lah.
Yeah, you must be confident. Okay, don't play already.
How come you don't put the garlic first?
It's not right, you put the garlic right, then you put the egg right. Then the garlic will be attached onto the egg. You want it to be attached with the grains of rice. So one last step. This is my favorite hack. At home cannot get wok hei, right?
Yeah.
Play with fire. Just point.
Wait, can I try?
You just want the fire to kiss the rice. That's what they call wok hei. Disgusting.
Where got disgusting? This is Subway. I already washed my elbow. Which one you eat first?
Appetizer.
Cheers. Oh, no vegetable.
Feel good.
Must eat with the apple.
Okay, I want to try this one.
This is with the chili crisp. Cheers.
Wow, it's so easy to make. Yeah.
Good thing I never use air fryer. I love this chili oil. It's damn good. Very garlicky. I love it.
Moving on to the garlicky fried rice. You can use chocolate E rice or not?
Can. Cheers. The egg is so different from our typical egg. And then the wok here, wow.
The fake wok here. So, also
How much will you pay if this is in a restaurant standard? Restaurant setting.
together. Together. 58.
Including GST service charge?
Yeah.
Okay, I also will. 50
Got Otoro. You have a personal story about garlic?
Have lah.
Tell them.